Hi, this is a video demonstration of the Canon Camcorder ZR80. All right, let's go over quickly some of the items. We've got a Case Logic camera case. We've got the AC power adapter. Comes with two tapes, one's new and one is used. Also, it comes with a, this is the AV cable, and I've got a, transfer kit. So when it's plugged into the, and you'll see pictures of it, you just plug this into your laptop, and also comes with a little cover. And then here is the software that goes with that. So all that's done. Now let's look at the camera. Let's turn the camera on. Open the door and we'll hit play right here. Play, come on. Pause on. Oh, wait a minute. We've got to be on player. Okay, so this is a pre-recorded. Okay.
Hi, this is a quick video demonstration of the Canon Camcorder ZR80. Let's do a quick, let's do a zoom. Go back. All right, let's try it a little bit. Let's try it down the street. Get a little bit longer. All right, so I just recorded over a tape that had a guy getting ready to do, I think it was a magic act. But this is the kind of the quick video to see that it is recording. It's a nice camera. It's got two batteries and comes with two tapes. And you can just record right over this one. But that's our quick video demonstration of the Canon ZR80. Thanks.
All right, so that was the little demonstration I did earlier today. And now we can go over and look at some other things. So to open the camera for the tape, slide on the bottom here. This is the size of the mini DV. And then right here is the RV, the AV, where you plug into here for your transfer. And comes with a lens cap. So all in all, it's in a very nice shape. And you can see that everything's working with that. I think I said it came with two batteries. This is a brand new battery. I just put a new battery on instead. All right, so that's our quick video demonstration of the Canon Camcorder ZR80. Thank you.